Guys, Aaron Williams here with MarineMax Jupiter and Boston Whaler. We have a beautiful 13 Super Sport in Abaco blue with a trailer, and it's got a 40 horsepower Mercury engine on it. Let's jump inside the boat and show you about this unsinkable legend. So some of the essential features on this 13 Super Sport: got a beautiful bimini top in blue and our dive ladder back here. So for those days where you're at the sandbar and you're splashing around having a good time, you've got some sun coverage, which is essential down here in Florida. And you've got an access point to get on and off the boat. This boat does have a nice bench seat that you can sit 2 people on with cup holders. So even on a 13-foot boat, we've got 3 cup holders because you can never have too many of those. Moving forward, we have a dedicated storage locker for the anchor. So again, once you pull up to the beach, throw the anchor out front, and then you guys will be good to go. So it is a dry storage area, so even if you wanted to throw some other items in there, you have the room to do so. Now, if you want to come and see this boat in Abaco blue, come on down to MarineMax Jupiter, ask for Aaron Williams. We'll be happy to get you guys out on the water.